You know, my mother and I was talking earlier on today, and she was like, you know, you resemble your father. I was like, Mommy, what are you talking about? And she was like, you didn't find you looking like your father? Like, watch yourself in the mirror, you didn't find you looking like your father? So I was confused. I was like, Mommy, what are you talking about? And then she was like, oh, good, I forget you don't know your father, yes? Anyhow, you want some sandwiches? Yeah. Nah, just playing.
That's not true story, no.
No, that's playing. I know my father, I know my father, but he just trying to teach my mother to be a single parent, and she don't like that.
All right, okay. Oh, yeah. Comedian Junior Lee in the house, right?
Sure, it's like, yo, I don't know if the feel sorry for you.
No, I wasn't sure.
If the feel sorry for you. Just laugh at you.
Yeah, I'm going whole show because I wasn't sure.
No, but what is this in making? This is mayonnaise and
So this is cream cheese.
saltfish.
Cream
It's cream cheese.
So it's a cream cheese and saltfish mixture that we kind of put in together. And what we're going to do, thanking the folks at Kum Kee, an entire range of Kum Kee.
Kum Kee.
Good Chinese food for Christmas.
Nice.
Kum Kee,
Nice.
And we're doing a lovely Asian saltfish roll.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah,
so basically, saltfish, I mean, all of us, any Caribbean when we go in, they can whip a bubble jar.
Yeah.
All I did kind of thing was quickly did some cabbage, some saltfish, a little bit of pimento peppers. I didn't add any salt.
Because it's natural.
Saltfish.
Like, why would you put salt in saltfish?
Why would you put salt in saltfish?
Why not?
Come on, right? And to get it even more Asian, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull together a very quick plum sauce dip. You're going to work a little bit today. I want to get you rolling. Plum sauce.
Okay,
so
that plum is that?
So this is their plum sauce.
Oh, this is like the American.
No, it's not American at all.
Oh, that's the plum.
That's
Come from the plum.
That's Chinese plum. No, that is Chinese plum.
Oh.
So I'm going in here with about, I would say about 3 to 4
tablespoons. Teaspoons.
Yeah. Right? Nice, thick,
Plum
lovely plum sauce. Yeah.
And you always start from the bottom.
Always start from the bottom up. Right? That's important. Like, I have a lime.
Right.
I just want to
squeeze the lime
into
the plum sauce.
The juice of one lime into the plum sauce.
Yes.
Yeah.
De-juice the lime.
De-juice the lime.
And you make sure you can get a seed in it, but that's fine.
I got seed? No, that's not fine at all.
Oh,
that's not fine. That's not fine. I don't want any seeds in there. I don't want any seeds in there.
Because you don't want a tree growing inside of you.
Right? To that, I want a touch
of
good sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Just a touch.
Everybody knew we was going to say sesame oil.
Just a touch. Just a touch. Right?
And then mix that up.
And you kind of mix
You get that
up.
going. You get that going. Get some plum sauce and some lime in there with some sesame oil. Just a touch of it. And you mix it. Mix it about 3 to 4 minutes of mixing to really get it all together as one. And now you have a lime plum sauce. Because
you can come and do my voiceover to me.
And you pour it into a nice little bowl.
Yeah,
because it's a dip.
It's a dip.
Yeah.
It's a dip.
What is this for?
It's a dip.
What is this for?
That's for you.
This was the only time?
That was the only time. So I'm putting that across there for you to start rolling, right? And
slow wave for the ones who have left us and gone.
I knew to be a waste rolling.
But we shall carry on and roll. We here, still here.
What are you doing
So
here?
put up your hand. We here, still here, out here. So put up your hand down. I want to see them kings and queens.
What are you doing here?
What is going on?
What are you doing here?
It's a surprise.
What are you doing?
It's a surprise.
Roger George is in the...
It's all about a surprise.
He just saw the studio, you know.
No, I didn't even see any walking there. Whatever back doors of the...
Always have a back door here.
Well, you know, I was knocking on the front door. Nobody wasn't on the front door, so I decided to use the back door.
Nah, it's so good to have you
Cup
here.
of Joe.
I remember you from...
my man.
Roger George.
Listen, man.
I don't know if you remember me when we were growing up.
Of course.
Roger,
Of course, but
Roger,
you're still growing up, right?
Roger, we live here and we need you to start.
Yeah, you need to
get
help us.
active. Get active.
We have a order.
I need to figure out what you doing in Trinidad.
Well, I know it's Christmas. I mean, Christmas is in the air.
Yes.
Right.
But I just come to show my face and see what's going on and come by Cup of Joe and, you know, I know somebody tell me that once you're on you come on the show and you're a part of what's going on.
Yes.
You get to eat for free. So
that's why I here too.
I ain't buying no lunch, I ain't buying no dinner, I ain't buying no breakfast.
No
nothing. I
breakfast,
come on the
nothing.
show to see what's going on. I want to take part. You know what I mean?
So I'm glad you're here to take part.
Right.
Because right away we're going on layers to take part. So we're doing some saltfish
Cream cheese.
spring rolls with an Asian twist, right? So this is some lovely saltfish here.
So I thought it was the saltfish cream cheese buljol.
So this is the saltfish cream cheese.
Buljol.
Yes, buljol.
With cabbage.
With with all of that loveliness inside.
What is that?
So I'm going to show you guys. I have everything here for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how we're rolling these.
I find you give me a little bit.
Yeah. I find you can get a little bit intro. I don't want to overstuff, you know.
Yeah.
So it's all about the roll now.
It's all about the roll now.
Yeah,
So watch my
into the-
fellas. So you
what-
see this here? This is a little water that will come in very important in a little while.
Right.
So just pull back your roll.
Pull back your roll.
Pull back your roll and
back your
and cover.
It kind of reminds you of
What? Right. When you reach here, stop, guys. No,
Oh,
you roll right. You just roll. So what I need you to do now, Junior? Pay attention, Junior. I need you to dip your hand in a little bit of the water
and
just pass it.
yeah, we're going the orange water.
Pass it.
Right.
And then you're twisting.
Alright.
Twisting.
You're kind of sealing them in. Junior, you're still watering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just try to make sure it's
And
good, you know.
good.
You give
Right,
it a
you're
little
twisting.
twist. Alright?
Hey, look at mine as a boss.
So drop it. I want you to drop it here for me.
Drop it.
Alright.
Go for it.
In the hot oil, gentlemen.
Go for it,
In
go
the
for
hot
it.
oil.
Let's take it like that. Don't drop that. Alright.
In the hot oil. In the oil.
Pull it from under.
So how long do we
In the oil.
leave it in the hot oil?
Literally just a few seconds.
Few seconds.
This no longer than a minute. It will start.
3 seconds
A few is
max.
normally 3.
Yeah.
3, 4.
No. A little more than 3.
A little more.
A couple,
Yeah, a little more than
few
3.
seconds.
4 or 5
You will
seconds.
start
couple
to
few
see
seconds.
it's getting some nice color.
Yeah. Take
Well,
your
I think
time.
Joel is opening up.
Joel,
so
take your time. Joel, take your time,
Joel
Joel.
open up.
Joel, so
Mine
make sure
is
you
still
see.
together.
See, right?
Yes, man. Yeah. Cooking nice.
Alright, it's good. Yeah.
Cooking nice.
You know what you're doing.
So guys, after it's in the oil, it comes out looking
Take your time.
like
Joel.
this.
Take your time, Joel.
Yeah.
Take your time, Joel. And you dip it in the plum sauce.
Cheers. But
Cheers.
some plum sauce is necessary. Some lovely plum sauce. It's a little
Plum
bit-
lime sauce.
Oh my goodness.
I feel like I would like the plum
It
sauce.
would come in here as a surprise.
Merry Christmas.
It's
Very good.
Something new.
Guys, put a little Asian spice in your Christmas. Check out the folks at Kum Kee, guys. Full range of Asian products. You see these products all the time?
They're
Lovely
good.
ways to use them.
Yeah, it's really good. The
Lovely
plum
ways
sauce.
to use them.
Very
Come
good.
on, man.
Oh, we can double dip?
The end, double dip the end.
Yeah. I don't know if we can double dip. Okay.
Roger. That's true.
Yeah, I changed my name.
Why are we making?
King Dexter, boy. That's what the song is about.
That's what the song's about. You know. Just giving Black his praise, man, because, you know, he was a king, just like us. And he served his time here. 61 years in the business, he doing the thing, and, you know, he deserves some praises. You know? Like everybody else, you know. And still giving back to the soca, the calypso world here in Trinidad and Tobago, just, you know, making myself current. And I'm getting back on the scene and, you know,
So
let
good
them
to
know
see
that,
you.
hey, I'm still here.
So good to see
I'm
you.
here.
So good to see you. So good to
I'm
see
here.
you. I want to thank Brother John for the surprise visit.
Yes,
but I want to
man.
thank this buddy.
Yes,
His
man.
name is Junior Lee.
Junior Lee.
Real name, Juvel
Limo.
Limo. And he's a comedian doing some fantastic things. Thanking them for
Yeah,
dropping
man, we
by.
can't take him serious. But wait, we
Yeah,
can't go
yeah.
yet. We can't go yet. But Joel, I want to just present this to you because I think you're a king of what you do.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Everybody are kings. We are all kings and queens.
Mm-hmm.
And when it comes to Cup of Joe, you are the king of cups.
That's a real thing? That's a real thing?
That is a real thing.
That's a real thing.
King of cups.
It's from both of us,
The king.
I saw him down the road and say, yo, we need to carry this as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm not letting anybody have
Yeah,
it
man.
you know. I hear going my mommy.
Oh my goodness.
So I want mommy to try these saltfish rolls.
Yes.
Thanks
Yes.
to the folks at Kum Kee for making this possible. Merry
Thank
Christmas,
you.
Roger.
Thank you very much.
All the
Thank you
best.
very much.
Merry Christmas, Junior.
Same to you, Joel.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
we're going to
Junior.
take this one out. I'm the king of cups, guys.
King of
Yeah.
cups.
And you have 4 of them.
4 of them?
4 cups.
4 cups. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it.
I'll
Don't
say
say
it already.
it. Sauce.
Close the show. Close the show.
Sauce.
We out. Close the show.
Bye bye.
You make mistakes.